platforms has announced the rollout of an incognito mode for WhatsApp aimed at enabling users to have more private interactions with its AI chatbot. According to the company, the new feature is designed to address user concerns around privacy, particularly when sharing sensitive information in chats. In a blog post published on Wednesday, Meta stated that the incognito chat mode allows users to engage in private and temporary conversations with Meta AI, its artificial intelligence assistant that has been available on WhatsApp for the past few years. Meta explained that messages exchanged in this mode will be processed with a secure environment, that it is not accessible even to the company itself. Additionally, these conversations will not be saved by default and will automatically disappear once the user exits the session. However, the feature comes with certain limitations. Users will only be able to type queries and receive text-based responses, with no option to upload files or generate images. Furthermore, users will be required to confirm their age, as Meta's platform do not permit individuals under the age of 13 to use its services. The introduction of this feature marks Meta's latest step in enhancing privacy controls while expanding the use of AI within its messaging platform. So viewers, will WhatsApp new incognito mode truly reassure users about privacy? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.